Alright, what's up guys? कैसे हो? And I hope everyone's doing great. I mean, look at the weather here. I think Manali is like this throughout the year. Not cloudy, but it's gonna be cool and pleasant. And the time lapse that I've seen right now, I kept it for almost half an hour, and clouds did not move an inch. I mean, they moved a little bit, but come on, yeah. I don't understand why do clouds stay like that in these mountains? Is it due to pressure? Does someone know how this works? Anyways, as you guys know, today is the last riding day. Yes, officially today is gonna be the last riding day. We are going to Chandigarh today, and we'll be dropping off the bikes for shipping. Plan is to drop the bikes at either Delhi or Chandigarh ka BMW Motorrad showroom. But Chandigarh is a little bit closer, and once our minds are like done with the trip, we really wanted to go back home fast. There's no point of riding back till Delhi when Chandigarh is closer, right? And one company, not the old company this time, we are planning with a different company who has a lot of experience in transporting Lamborghinis, super sport cars, super sport bikes and all that. They'll be dropped at BMW Motorrad Hyderabad. Hopefully they should come back safe. So let's go get ready, eat some breakfast, again gear up, again pack, which is the most irritating part of any ride. Let's pack up and get out. By the way, look at my nails here. They've grown so huge. Think about a nail cutter. Let's go cut my nails and get out from here. As you guys can see, internet and network. Forget internet. Network has been the toughest for me this time in this trip, because that is a mistake I did. I should have taken postpaid and travel to Ladakh, because the moment you enter Jammu, you will not have network. Airtel, Idea, Jio, nothing works. If it's a prepaid, you have to have a postpaid connection. Literally for 7 or 8 days, from the time we entered Jammu till today, I did not have internet nor any network. At least finally now, once we entered Manali, I got my network back once I entered Himachal. But then speeds are also, there is some curse for me, I guess. 3.74 upload speed. What is the speeds, dude? Prehistoric speeds. And that is one of the main reasons I was not able to upload Instagram stories, because some of you people were like, Sriman, you ask us to follow on Instagram, but you're not posting any Instagram stories. Yes, because we don't have internet till today. Abhi to internet आया, so I'll try posting some Instagram stories. I also wanted to keep you guys posted instantly. So anyways, in case you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram at Sriman Kotaru. Oh yes, luckily I found the nail cutter. Very important. Actually, don't carry the nail cutter somehow. This time I felt that we're gonna go for a trip for almost 24 days. So yeah, I'm carrying one, and it is really handy now. I'm pretty sure my friends will ask now. Seaman, please give us the nail cutter. I also want to cut my nails.
About what?
Yeah, we have nail cutter, bro.
Arey, cut jara, please, ra.
I will charge. Okay, Chandigarh is gonna take us 8 hours 43 minutes. We booked a hotel near to the BMW Motorrad showroom in Chandigarh. Exactly opposite. If this is the showroom, this is gonna be our hotel. Much easier that way. 307 kilometers, 8 hours 43 minutes to Chandigarh. That means by the time we reach, it should be 7 o'clock in the evening. I think including breaks, we'll be doing that. Chalo, let's get out now. A lot of people did not come to Manali this time, because there was a news of flash floods, that much rain, heavy rains and all that. But somehow we did not find any rain till now. Okay, exiting the hotel right now. Somehow all the entries of the hotels we are taking, they have such narrow entries. Feels weird. Vatavaran acha hai. Last time also when we came, we couldn't explore Manali. Sometime we have to come just for Manali, because every time we come here, by the time we reach Manali, it's our return route and we get tired and we don't usually explore. I mean, if you come to Manali, I think it's such a beautiful place. You need to stay here for at least, I think, 3 to 4 days. At least 3 days. So now fuel also, we don't need fuel, dude. What a joke. We'll be directly going to Chandigarh and leaving this at the showroom. I'm not okay with that. Naisha is doing okay now, much better, no doubts about that. But then I think 80% recovery ho gaya. Thoda sa fever hai. Raat mein she's getting fever. Morning she's fine. I don't know what is this weird bacteria, yaar. Some bacterial infection it seems. Doctors told not to worry, but yeah, like I told you, it's always there in my mind, and I'm not really able to enjoy the trip except ride like this and vlog a little bit. Arey wah, what scenery, dude. I'm done with the scenery. Overdose ho gaya scenery ka. Too good. Like right now, click a picture, take a screenshot, make this your DPR. Oi. Scenery is so dangerous. It is literally Chandigarh straight. Oh, by the way, even though Chandigarh is like just 300 kilometers from Manali, it is still gonna take you close to 9 hours, including breaks. Reason being, entirely it is Ghats. We have a lot of Ghats, almost till 90% of the journey. Ending mein thoda sa, you'll get down to the highway. I'm not sure. I need to check. I don't remember actually. Last time when we came, I think we came from we went via Chandigarh home. As long as we have good climate like this, no issues. But yeah, temperature is gonna go up as we go down now. As we decline the altitude. Oh my god, nice beautiful waterfalls. हमारा पीछे एक Isuzu is like very irritating. He's coming really close to check out the bikes. I don't understand yaar, why do you do this? So irritating. I mean you can come, but don't come too close. It's like very scary yaar. అరే ఐదర్ కొంచెం వింటారా ఒక నిమిషం ఐదర్ కొంచెం కొట్టేయండి లేకపోతే విల్ గివ్ వే టు దట్ ఇష్యూజ్ గాయ ఆడేదో తేడా కొడుతున్నాడు నాకు లైక్ నేను పాస్ యాక్చువల్లీ అంటే వాడు మళ్ళీ ముందర పోయి స్లో వెళ్తున్నాడు జస్ట్ స్లో డౌన్ కంప్లీట్లీ అనుకున్నారా వస్తావని ఓకే స్లో డౌన్ సావరా పోయి Okay, we did like 42.8 kilometers from the hotel and temperature has gone up drastically, you know. It's 29 degrees right now. Like imagine, dude. Yesterday it was literally -1, -2, 0 degrees, 1 degree. And now it's gone up by 29 times, dude. So hot. What is this weather not happening, bro? Assal aithe ledhu. Abhi Gore-Tex ka hatred will start. Andar I'll start sweating like a pig. Like Pandi. We just crossed Kulu as well. Kulu is like 30 kilometers away from Manali. And oh yes, hamara power, bike ka power is wapas full on. Like 6th gear maybe, there's a lot of pull. Torque is back. BHP is back. See this? Amazing. Now the rider and the bike. Dono ko, we're getting proper oxygen levels. Only thing is heat now. Kuch na kuch complaint rehna Sriman ji ko. Come on, turbocharge, pull. Nice. What is this crazy jam, dude? OMG. Crazy jam. This is the last thing we needed. That in this kind of temperatures. Place lekunde. This is really a huge jam, dude. हमारा panniers नहीं है तो 33 degrees. Excellent. All the worst things possible happening right now. Last day of the trip. Hello. After 2 hours later, it's moving. थोड़ा सा चरण मेल्ला राइट इसको मेल्ला आप रहा है 1 सेकंड भैया 1 सेकंड थैंक यू ओह माय गॉड व्हाट इज दिस जैम ब्रो ఒక 5 కిలోమీటర్ ముందర జామ్ ఫైనలీ వీఆర్ డన్ విత్ మండి యాక్చువల్లీ వి టుక్ అ హ్యూజ్ బ్రేక్ లంచ్ బ్రేక్ అవి టైమ్ ఇస్ 2:20 ఓ యాక్సిడెంట్ వెహికల్ ఐ థాట్ హి ఇస్ టేకింగ్ రివర్స్ अभी fresh हुआ. I think we are not done with the Ghats yet. It was so irritating to ride in these Manali Ghats especially. Very irritating yaar. Too much of dust and pollution. Not okay, pollution is still fine. That's how we ride in pollution, dust and all that. But this is too much. Like next level too much hai. There's now wo to khatam ho gaya. We got a nice 4 lane, but I think Ghats are not over yet. And the reason I'm ducking like this and talking is there is a lot of hear that wind noise. I think Chandigarh is another 190 kilometers. Temperature is a cute 35 degrees, irritatingly hot and humid. I think we have done 120 kilometers, a 3 hours ka ride, 1 hour 18 minutes of a huge break, which was much required after all that dusty roads. I think we have to go into those mountains. Again, Ghats shuru hoga udhar se, I'm not sure. And then we'll be done with Ghats. We'll get down, go via मिट्टी एन्नाली मिट्टी तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेपिया ओ सजना Dum dararam dara mast mast dararam dararam mast mast dararam dararam dum. Oh हमदम सुनियो रे जानी यार सुनियो रे हो सुनियो रे सुनियो रे ना 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 तीन ताना ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಕ್ಕ ರಾಯಲೇ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಧಿನಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕನೈನ ಫಿಗರೇ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಅಂಟೆ ಕುಬ್ಲೆ
నువ్వు ఎంచుకున్న రాగం ఏంటి తీసుకున్న తాళం ఏంటి పాట ఉన్నదే నెంబరు నువ్వు పాడుతున్న టెంపో అయినా తగిన 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 మీ 2-4 తగిన 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 6-8 ఆ పాట విలువ తెలుసా నీకు? యు నో ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ది సాంగ్.
We don't need lyrics, bro. We need the ragam. We need the music. We need the composition. That's it. ఒక పాట అందుకోండి రా. No. Wait. Something went in. అరే నెయిల్ దిగిందిరా పెద్దది. అదే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పంక్చర్ షాప్ ఉంది. भैया पंक्चर करना है. अदृष्टम. दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड लक. एक मिनट ठीक है. फर्स्ट पंक्चर at 12:50 dude. 42:36 ठीक है. कितना हुआ? 8 kilometers left to Chandigarh. Time is 5:30. Riding time is 5 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours of proper breaks. This guards is never getting over, dude. Problem is if we stop and take a break, there's so many lorries overtaking us. 30-40 kilometers of this guards. Hours 33 minutes, 2 hours 33 minutes of break, total 10 hours. Seriously 10 hours we did. 300 kilometers, 10 hours is like 30 kilometers per hour. Crazy dude. Almost 8 o'clock now. Anyways, we reached Chandigarh now. Alright, I reached Chandigarh around 8 o'clock. It's been a very tough ride, dude. I mean, I don't understand how and why, but especially the last leg of our journey is going to be, every time it's going to be so difficult. Literally from Manali till Chandigarh is the worst possible road I've ever witnessed in India. Hardly 10 or 15% of the ride was good. Baki poor ride is like irritatingly bad. Like literally 2,576 trucks you can count. It's that bad. You have to overtake all this, and in case you wanted to stop by the side for a chai break or something, khatam. Pura trucks will go again. Again you'll have to overtake all that. It's very irritating. Anyways, abhi time to 11:40. The complicated part now is, as you guys know, we're shipping our bikes, which means packing is gonna be a small complication. Usually when we ship our bikes, what we do is I carry a backpack with me, but this time I know for sure that we're gonna ride the bikes back home. That is the reason I did not carry any backpack with me, because of which now the complicated part starts. How do I pack and what do I need? I cannot obviously carry a jacket and my riding pants and all that, so I'll be putting them into the panniers. Top box, I'm planning to take it with me. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Next vlog most probably will be shipping the bikes, how we're gonna do it. In case you guys are also interested to ship your bikes, maybe this vlog will help, the upcoming vlog will help. Abhi one more complicated part is I have to take my laptop, I have to carry my helmet in my hand, I have to carry the tank bag in my hand where this camera goes, and maybe top box I'll be checking in. Very confused. Let's see. Oh, one more thing, we also have the boots and all.